Is it recording?
Yeah.
Great. Good morning, botanists. It's a great pleasure. Hooray, it's week 2. And we're so excited and happy about the way things have started out in our exploration of Ohio plants. This week, we have to look forward to. We're going to learn about flowers and fruits. And Leah's going to tell you more about what we're going to do in lab. I keep calling it lab. It's called field experience because technically it's not a lab course. And soon after this conversation, I'm going to go out hunting flowers. I'm going to go around the landscape and find as many wildflowers for you all to take apart and learn about their parts and stuff. It's going to be great. One of the things that we have to look forward to has to do with botanical surveys. Part of our course and part of studying botany is the ability to go to a location where there are plants and document what kinds of plant communities there are and what species are there, and compile an organized list. It's the kind of thing that natural resource managers would do. We've posted an announcement about that and some information on the Course Companion website. So what we want you to do is think about over the next couple days is a location that would be a good place to study botany. We have a lot of suggestions, very good suggestions on our website, including a Google map, which I was excited to be able to create. And we'll have a list sign-up sheet for areas for your botanical surveys. And the websites, we love the websites. We've looked at some of them, maybe all of them, I don't know, between the two of us. And your interest and enthusiasm and creativity and pretty pictures and the interesting things about yourself, all your career goals and aspirations and orientation of botany is just an inspiration to work with you this semester now that we're getting to know you. And Leah, what are we doing in the lab that's not a lab this week? Leah, what are we doing in the lab that's not a lab this week? Besides learning how to pronounce your name.
Yeah. Yeah, so in the field experience this week, we are learning about all the ways that flowers vary. So it is going to be super important that you bring your required course textbooks to field experience this week, because we're going to be using them to identify flowers. So some of the main things we're going to learn are how flowers vary in numbers of petals, how they vary in positions of the flowers, and whether the petals are fused or not fused, all kinds of ways that the flower structure varies. And the best part is that this is kind of like the basis for understanding plant families, which we're going to learn about in week 3.
I'm excited. Great.
Yeah, me too.
Again, any questions or concerns, and communicate with us, and we look forward to seeing you in lecture and field experience this week. Happy botany.